This is one of the most flawless charts in macro. If you're not paying attention to this, you're missing a big part of the picture, because the yield curve essentially represents how tight the Federal Reserve is. If the yield curve is very elevated or steep, it means the central bank policy is very loose and that the economy is very likely to perform well looking forward. And that's exactly what happens in the year after the yield curve has steepened. You see the US economy go into a massive boom. When the yield curve is inverted, like in these instances right here, it means the Federal Reserve, the central bank, is keeping monetary policy tight, and so that the economy is likely to weaken in the year that follows, which historically is exactly what tends to happen. Today, we know that the yield curve has been inverted for the longest time since 1929, which was the year before the Great Depression, which to us significantly increases the odds that we are heading into an economic downturn, and probably quite a severe one, which would mean that the US economy begins to do something that looks like this, which is again what has happened throughout every recession in history.